Hello friends, welcome to another Resolved tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to record your computer screen into a video using the free OBS program. OBS is a free and open source software. This software works on computers with Linux, Mac, and Windows. It's one of the best applications you can use to record your screen. The reason is that the video you record is saved in MP4, MKV, movie video file formats, which are compatible with most video editing software. Let's get started right away. Let's search for the words OBS Studio in the Google search engine. Go to obsproject.com from the search results and download the free OBS program from the site. You can find the links related to the links we mentioned in this video below in the YouTube video link. The first thing you need to do is download the correct version. I use a Windows computer, so I will click on Windows. It's important to download the right version if you're using a different operating system. After downloading, press the Open button and then proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, OBS will automatically open, and you should see the part of the screen right now. To start recording your screen video, you should do the following. Go to the Sources section and click on the plus symbol. We click on the Display Capture section in the screen that appears. Here it asks under what name the video to be recorded will be saved on your computer. We give the name we want and press the OK button. Then we start the recording by pressing the Start Recording button from the Control section at the bottom right of the program. The appearance of the red circle at the bottom right of the program means that the recording has started. When your screen recording is over, you can end the recording by pressing the Stop Recording button in the Controls section. You can see where the recordings are stored on your computer by clicking on the Settings section in the Controls section and clicking on the Output section in the window that opens, or you can change the recording location from here. I'm leaving the link where you can download the program for free in the description section of our video. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more informative and educational videos.